All right, here is how to unclog your sink. You're gonna need a kettle to boil water, baking soda, and DawnPowerwash. So here is a sink. Of course, there's sinks that are worse than this, but you can see there's definitely a fair bit of water and it is not draining. So what you're gonna need to do is first and foremost get rid of the excess water. Use a thick cloth to blot all that up, or if you have any more water than what you're seeing right there, I would recommend taking a shop vac and sucking out all the remaining water so the sink is nice and dry and you can start unclogging your sink. Now, you're gonna use a zip tie. Zip ties work great to get any sort of hair that is stuck in there, and usually with a sink, there is something right at the top there that is just clogged, and you just want to make sure as much as possible, you can see all that hair there, you want to make sure as much as possible is taken out of there so your solution to unclog the sink can seep in deeper. So take DawnPowerwash, give it a good spray. Then you're going to want to take your baking soda and pour it on there fairly generously. Just like that. And then once you've got all that, take the water that is boiled to a max, nice and hot, pour it on there just a little bit, and then you can see that water trying to flow down there. You'll probably see it bubble up quite a bit, and that is just air movement. But you can see this works wonders. DawnPowerwash, baking soda, and boiling water. So just repeat those steps as much as necessary, because you want to get to a point where you turn on the sink water and it flows and the water flows down perfectly without any issues, and that is when you know you have unclogged your sink properly.